EU gaming company Fragbite Group launches Bitcoin Treasury with 4.3 BTC purchase. Bitcoin Treasury. Swedish gaming firm Fragbite Group launches Bitcoin Treasury with 4.3 BTC purchase as European corporate adoption accelerates amid global wave. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 22, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Swedish gaming company Fragbite Group has launched a Bitcoin treasury strategy by purchasing 4.3 Bitcoin at an average price of $112,958 per coin, becoming the latest European firm to adopt cryptocurrency as a primary reserve asset amid a global wave of corporate adoption. The company raised an additional 6 million Swedish krona, $630,000, through an interest-free convertible loan to fund further Bitcoin purchases, with conversion rights triggered if shares exceed the 13 Swedish kronor conversion price by 30% for 20 consecutive trading days. Bitcoin Treasury Director Patrick von Barr called the move positioning Fragbite as an early pioneer in a revolutionary industry. The acquisition occurs as corporate Bitcoin adoption accelerates globally, with over 274 companies now holding 3.57 M Bitcoin on their balance sheets. Most recently, MicroStrategy added 6,220 Bitcoin for $739.8 million during the week ending July 20th, bringing total holdings to 607,770 Bitcoin worth over $43 billion. The corporate treasury trend spans multiple sectors and geographies, with Japanese Metaplanet targeting 210,000 Bitcoin by 2027, London-listed companies announcing 9 Bitcoin treasury plans in recent weeks, and European firms increasingly viewing cryptocurrency as an inflation hedge and a strategic asset. European corporate Bitcoin adoption gains momentum. Fragbite Group joins a growing number of European companies embracing Bitcoin treasury strategies as regulatory clarity improves across the region. The gaming firm's convertible loan structure offers flexibility, with no interest accruing until November 30, 2030, and includes forced conversion rights if the shares exceed 200% of the conversion price. Similarly, Swedish firm Refine Group also recently launched a $1 million Bitcoin treasury backed by fresh capital. In comparison, London markets have seen companies like Smarter Web Company surge from £4 million to over £1 billion market value following Bitcoin purchase announcements. The European adoption wave contrasts with established corporate treasury leaders, such as MicroStrategy, which continues to accumulate aggressively through at-the-market equity offerings. The company raised $740.3 million across 4 ATM programs to fund its latest purchase of 6,220 Bitcoins at an average price of $118,940. Moreover, Australian Digital X secured $13.54 million from Animoca Brands, UTXO Management, and Parify Capital for expanding its Bitcoin treasury, bringing its total assets to $95 million. Market dynamics signal rotation as ETF flows diverge. Institutions are increasingly flocking to Bitcoin as a treasury, as evidenced by Bitcoin spot ETFs, which recorded their first net outflow in 12 days, with $131.35 million exiting on July 21st. This came after over 2 consecutive weeks of inflows, marking the end of a robust period that had attracted over $6.6 billion since early July. The natural outflow can be primarily attributed to Bitcoin experiencing a slight pullback after its recent $123,000 ADH peak. BlackRock's IBIT reported zero net inflow despite holding $86.16 billion in assets, while ARK Invest's ARKB and Grayscale's GBTC saw outflows of $77.46 million and $36.75 million, respectively. However, Ethereum ETFs continued their momentum with $296.59 million in daily inflows, extending their winning streak to 12 consecutive days. BlackRock's ETHA led with $101.98 million in new capital, while Fidelity's FETH attracted $126.93 million, as combined Ethereum ETF assets reached $19.6 billion. Notably, SpaceX has recently sparked concern with its $152.85 million Bitcoin transaction after a 3-year hiatus. The movement, as speculated, represents potential portfolio restructuring rather than liquidation. The aerospace company's wallet transferred 1,308.45 Bitcoin, while maintaining 6,977 Bitcoin under Coinbase Prime custody, worth approximately $818.3 million. Historical data shows SpaceX received multiple Bitcoin inflows between 2021 and 2022, with holdings exceeding $1.6 billion during the previous bull run. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading above $118,700 after consolidating from its all-time high of $123,000. The cryptocurrency is displaying bullish pennant patterns that typically signal continuation moves after a rally correction or pullback. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. XRP positioned for trillions in global liquidity. Can XRP overtake Bitcoin? XRP price prediction. XRP flips McDonald's in market cap. Could XRP reach $100,000? XRP news prediction. XRP breaks through the historical high of $3.60, with a short-term target of $4. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. July 16, 2025, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Solana by the end of 2025. 1 day ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. 6 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 19 hours ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in on July 22, 2025. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 20 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 hours ago, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.